Naihanchi Shodan. Right? Yoi changes here, hands up, hands down. Make sure you're neither here, flat on top of each other, or here, but your fingertips overlap and you're making a spear tip with your arms. Arms still in the same down block position we're always in. Fist away from the ribs. Step out. Toes point in. Knees push out. Look before you take your next step. Step over and across. Toes one fist away from each other. This foot points that way. This foot points that way just a little bit. Push down. Foot comes in. Step out. Now this foot still points this way a little bit. This foot still points this way just a little bit. Knees pushing out. Looking this way. Block. Ends like a waiter holding a tray. Arm a little bit more than a fist away from the ribs. Now we're going to punch across with an elbow. Elbow scrapes the side until we get to here. We're going to have our elbow over our knee, twisting at our waist. Later on, we can use our hips by pushing back with this hip and forwards with this hip. Looks kind of like this, but early on, I just want you to twist at your waist. Reorient to the front, circle in. This is our motion. It's a circle. We call this returning wave technique. Wrist to fist away from the sternum, knuckles point up to the shoulder, elbow straight down from the other shoulder. Backhand in regular hikite. Look, down block. The advanced students, I want you to have your hips tucked in for the entire kata, except in moves like this, where you're striking down, you would drop your hips. Don't do this in the beginning. Then you would punch across, same thing, turn at your waist for early on. More advanced, you can punch out with your hips, one pushing one way, the other. If you do that, come back the other way and pull. Everyone else, catch up with your hand in a softer technique. Make sure to step with your foot a fist away from the other. Push down. Feet come together, step out. I like to time the movement of my heel setting down with my middle block landing. You'll notice the middle block is not here like in Pinan Shodan and Nidan. It is here in front of the shoulder. Centered for Pinan, Nidan, and Shodan. Shoulder for Naihanchi. Set for a down block. Double block with the middle block hand coming in and the down block hand going out. I drop my hips here. So I'm up, down. This hand comes in, same position we've been in, but it's going to go here. We tuck our hips in, punch out. Recoil that hand. You don't want to leave it sticking out there. Boom. We're going to, I say check when I do this, but really it could be a kick, could be a block. We go here, rise up, hammer fist, go here, hitting block, elbow in line with the knee, and we do a little knock where the wrist is loose. We pop someone with our back fist. So that hitting block, we knock at the end of it. Circle in. I did that knock twice for teaching, just once in application. Now watch. This hand moves faster than this hand. We're going here. I'm dropping my hips with this. This hand goes to here first. While that's happening, this hand, elbow scrapes the side, you get to here. And we're ready to do the next part of the movement. At the same time, this hand punches out, straight out. This hand twists over. Here, here. And now, this hand has power, this hand does not. All right, now the easy part of the kata. It's going to repeat. We touch our elbow. Waiter holding a tray. Elbow. Circle in. Look. Down block. Punch across. Either pull back if you're turning at the hips, or catch up if you're turning at the waist. Push your foot down. Feet come together. Step wide. Block. Set. Double block. Touch. Punch. Tucking your hips. Touch your knee with your foot. Hammer fist to one side. Elbow in line with the shoulder. Arm out at a 45. This hand still right here. Doesn't change. Fist away from the sternum. Knuckles up to the shoulder. Arm down from the shoulder. Other side. Hitting block. Not dropping it down. Coming across the face. That's a block. We're guarding. Hitting block. Knock. We'll knock with the hand. Circle in. Facing front. Look. Same technique as before. One hand moves with power. This one. One hand move soft. Hands up, hands down, bow.